flag does not fly because the wind moves. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. Good morning to one and all. On behalf of St. Alphonsus High School, I take this opportunity to wish you all a happy Kargil Vijay Divas Day, to bring awareness to the patriotism towards the nation and a tribute to soldiers. We UKG classes are presenting a few cultural programs and inspiring messages. I take this opportunity to recite a poem written on a tomb of a soldier at Jaisalmer. Sleep well, young soldier, your job is done. Your war is over and your battle won. No armor now to weigh you down. Cast it off into the sandy ground. Lay down your weapon, for you need not. No more bullets need to be shot. Take off your helmet, look to the sky. For, my friend, it is your turn to die. Have courage now, go rest in peace. For the fighting here will never cease. You fought bravely and with honor you died. You leave your family so full of pride. Sleep well, young soldier, your job is done. Your war is over, your battle won.
Hello everyone, my name is Jessica. I am studying UKG. This day is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Day. On this day, many Jawans sacrificed their lives for motherland. We need to salute all the Jawans on this day. Nearly 527 Jawans lost their lives. The war lasted for 60 days. The war was fought under -10 degrees temperature in Kashmir. We get back our studies on this day. On this day, Indians pays respect to the heroes of the Kargil War. Jai Hind. We are not proud of you for serving the nation. Thank you, Army. सोहनलाल द्विवेदी का जगगीत वीरस की कविताओं में बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध है। अहाते सस्रह अहाते अस्रह वीर वस्रह हटो नहीं डलो नहीं बड़े चलो चलो नहीं मिसाल हो चलो नहीं मिसाल हो बड़ो नया कमाल हो छुको नहीं बड़े चलो ऐसे तुरंत तोड़ दो ससंता का मोल दो, खड़ी आगों की खोल दो, चलो नहीं मालो नहीं, बड़े चलो, जय हिंद, जय भारत।
जय हिंद। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की। Good morning to everybody. I am Lieutenant Colonel Anandrao Magupalli. It gives me immense pleasure here today to know that St. Alphonsus under Reverend Brother George Joseph is celebrating Kargil Divas every year. Not only to commemorate the sacrifices that our brave armed forces have made, but also to inspire the younger generations, to instill a sense of patriotism in them, and to create a feeling of oneness for the country. This day is celebrated as Kargil Divas to honor the lives of our brave soldiers who lost their lives fighting valiantly on those mountains at sub-zero temperature, minus 50 degree Celsius temperatures for almost 2 months, and evicted the treacherous enemy on 26 July 1999. On this day, Prime Minister of our country pays special homage to the soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti, India Gate, New Delhi. What happened and transpired in Kargil, Jammu and Kashmir, must be an example for every Indian to judge his or her own actions when it comes to national service and patriotism. We all must resolve today to do whatever necessary to serve our motherland, be it through science, arts, commerce, or even military service. There should be an intention to pay back to the nation and our motherland. Joining NCC Scouts at schools provide such opportunities at grassroots level, and St. Alphonsus provides that opportunity to the students. Thank you. Jai Hind.
है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। हाँ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका।
Good morning everyone. Vijay Divas, which marks the victory of the Kargil war, which took place between May 26, 1999 and July 26, 1999. This war was fought in the Kargil sector, that is the Kargil district in Jammu and Kashmir, and this war was fought for the sake of the Indian land, the Pakistani troops and terrorists occupied the Indian side of the line of control, and we requested them to move back from the line of control, but they refused to do so, and the war was declared by the then Vajpayee government. Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the Prime Minister of India then, acted with the help of Air Marshal A.Y. Tipnis, and he had given him strict instruction not to cross the line of control. During this war, the Indian side lost over 527 Jawans, and the Pakistani side also equally lost almost 453 Jawans. And many were wounded, many soldiers were wounded in the war. And we know, even today, some of them are getting healed. But we have the good news that this war was fought vehemently by Indian troops, and we won it very easily within 2 months' time. And it is a lesson that we are taught the Pakistanis, that they cannot play with India. And when it matters unity, our troops always display it more than enough. The courage, the valiant fighter they are, the valiant fight they display is very clear. In this war especially, we have won the wars before this in the 1960s and 1972, and we helped Bangladesh to form. And our Jawans are fighting this war, or they fought this war below minus 10 degrees centigrade. That was the temperature then. In that minus 10 degrees centigrade, they fought this war, and just in 2 months' time, we have won this war. And what do we learn from this war with Pakistan? That we need to display our patriotic spirit when it matters a lot. India is known for unity in diversity, and this is one of the events which really displayed India's unity among the people, among the soldiers, among everyone, irrespective of caste, creed, color, religion. And on this occasion, as we celebrate the Vijay દિવસ on 26th July, I wish all our Jawans who are fighting for us, who are taking care of our security, because they are present at the border, we are safe here, we are able to sleep safely. So I pray for all of them for their good health and happiness. And I congratulate all the Jawans who fought the war and won the war for us. Congratulating all of them, and congratulating my staff over here for thinking of these Jawans and playing our little part in the celebration of the Vijay દિવસ. Congratulations, dear teachers. Congratulations, dear students who are taking part in the small little events on this video. I congratulate everyone who are involved in making this little video. Thank you, and God bless.
नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद।
The intention behind this program is not just to commemorate the sacrifice, but also to inspire the young generations from the past examples of national service and sacrifice. It is also a way to pay respect to all the brave soldiers who continue to defend the nation's walls without sleep and rest. It is a gesture of appreciation to them all, a promise to them that even though they are out of our sight, they remain in our hearts, minds, and prayers. Jai Hind.